biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whipple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
Many people still think importing from China means high risk or low quality. From your own experience, what are the misconceptions you wish Australian developers will unlearn first?
The biggest misconception is that China is a single, uniform source of quality. It's not. The gap between a generic, unverified factory and a Tier 1 internationally certified manufacturer is massive. Like comparing a backyard shed or to a brickwork factory. The risk doesn't come from the country. It comes from going it alone without the right process. I wish people would unlearn two things immediately. First, the idea that direct from China means cheapest and nasty. The reality is, many of the materials sold here already come from China. They just have multiple Australian markup and the local brand label slapped on them. We often sourcing from the exact same high-end factory that supply global brands, just cutting out the layers that add cost, not quality. Second, that is a chaotic hands-off gamble. The old email and pray model is where disaster happens. Professional importing isn't a transaction, it's a managed process. We don't just send a purchase order. We have boots on the ground for factory audits, pre-ship inspection, staged against your specification, and we manage the logistics supply chain door to door. The control and visibility can be greater than with a local supplier who says, "I will be on next truck, man." Third, the reframe is this. You are not buying a mystery container from the internet. You are activating a professional, managed supply chain that just happens to be offshore, give you quality at the source price and your margin back.